How to add Grubhub gift card to app. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can directly move into your application Grubhub. Enter your login credentials and then sign in to your specific account. Once you have been signed in, it will land you on this homepage. Now click on your profile at the top right corner and then head over to account. Inside your account, you will see the option where it says gift cards. Click on it and then click on redeem a gift card. Then you will have to enter your gift card number. Once you have entered, your gift card will be redeemed successfully. Now whenever you buy something from Grubhub, at the time of the checkout, you can choose the payment method as a gift card and then pay the specific amount of your product. Meanwhile, you can also choose any other payment method and then make the payment of the product. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to add Grubhub gift card to app. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.